Namaste, and welcome to a new week. As the sun rises and a gentle calm fills the air, we are invited to pause and greet the day with intention. Take a deep breath and allow yourself to settle into this moment, feeling the subtle energy that surrounds you. Today, Monday, June 16th, is guided by the moon, Chandra Dev, who governs our emotions and intuition. The moon's silvery glow reminds us that even in darkness, there is beauty and guidance. Its presence in the sky is a gentle reminder to honor our inner world, to listen to the quiet whispers of our heart, and to trust the wisdom that comes from within. Mondays invite us to slow down, check in with our feelings, and nurture our emotional well-being. Instead of rushing headlong into tasks and obligations, give yourself permission to move at a softer pace. Notice how you feel, and let those feelings be your guide. This is a day to honor your emotional landscape, to acknowledge both your joys and your challenges, and to offer yourself compassion. Instead of rushing into the week, let the moon's energy help you move with gentle awareness and compassion. Take a mindful walk, breathe in the fresh air, and notice the world waking up around you. Allow yourself to be present, to savor the small moments, and to move through your day with a sense of ease and grace. This is a day for reflection, for tending to your soul's garden, and for setting intentions rooted in emotional balance. Just as a gardener nurtures each plant with care, nurture your own heart and mind. Light a candle, plant a seed, or simply sit in stillness. Each act becomes a ritual of self-care and renewal. Let your intentions for the week be gentle, compassionate, and aligned with your true self. The moon's connection to Lord Shiva reminds us to find calm amidst chaos and to master our emotions with grace. Shiva, the great yogi, teaches us the power of stillness and the strength found in serenity. Under the moon's watchful gaze, we are encouraged to seek balance, to let go of what no longer serves us, and to cultivate inner peace, no matter what storms may arise. Use this day for introspection, journaling, or simply enjoying a quiet moment with a warm cup of chai. Write down your thoughts, dreams, and feelings. Let them flow freely onto the page, or simply sit in silence, savoring the comfort of your favorite tea, and allow your mind to wander gently. These small acts of self-connection can bring clarity and calm to your week ahead. Let your moods guide you. Embrace nostalgia, follow inspiration, and live intuitively. Look through old photographs, reminisce about cherished memories, or let your creativity flow in whatever way feels right. Trust your instincts and allow yourself to be led by the gentle tides of your emotions. Each feeling is a message, a guidepost on your journey. Begin your week with softness, letting the moon's light lead you with kindness and inner peace. As you move through this Monday, remember that you are held by the moon's gentle embrace. Let its calming energy inspire you to be gentle with yourself and others, and to carry a sense of tranquility into all that you do. Today, the universe shines on Cancer, Virgo, and Capricorn, offering luck and clarity. Cancer, your intuition is strong. Trust it for decisions that bring comfort and security. Let your nurturing side shine in creative or social moments. Virgo, Mars, and Jupiter energize your career. Present your ideas, ask for what you deserve, and communicate with confidence. Capricorn, deepen bonds and plan for the future. The moon in Leo highlights shared resources and optimism for growth. For all three signs, blend emotional intelligence with practical action. Take inspired steps, raise your sails, and move forward. The cosmos supports your journey, embrace it. As the day begins, the moon in Leo graces us with a vibrant, expressive, and heart-centered energy. This celestial influence encourages you to embrace your authentic self and let your inner light shine. Today, you may feel a natural urge to be seen, to share your feelings openly, and to radiate warmth to those around you. It's a wonderful time to step into the spotlight. Whether that means showcasing your creative talents, speaking your truth, or simply allowing yourself to be noticed and appreciated for who you are. Don't shy away from opportunities to express yourself. The universe is supporting your boldness. Meanwhile, Mars forms a harmonious trine with Jupiter, infusing the day with a surge of bold action and optimism. This powerful alignment is like a cosmic green light, urging you to take initiative, pursue your ambitions, and trust in your ability to succeed. If you've been waiting for the right moment to start something big or take a calculated risk, today is that day. Mercury in Gemini sharpens your mind and communication skills, making it easier to connect with others, brainstorm fresh ideas, and absorb new information. Use this mental clarity to network, learn, and share your thoughts with confidence. Channel your energy into projects and passions that truly excite you. Be mindful not to scatter your attention. Focus on what matters most, and you'll make meaningful progress. The planetary alignments today invite you to find a harmonious balance between passion, action, and intellect. Nurture your relationships, collaborate with others, and seek out moments of joy and connection. Express yourself with confidence, take inspired action toward your dreams, and communicate your vision clearly. Your unique perspective is valuable. Don't hesitate to share it. Harness this dynamic, uplifting energy for personal breakthroughs and joyful progress. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small, and let your enthusiasm inspire others. Remember, the universe is cheering you on every step of the way. Embrace the possibilities, trust in your journey, and make the most of this extraordinary day. Vastu wisdom highlights the Northeast today. Face this direction for clarity, spiritual connection, and smart financial planning. Meditate, brainstorm, or make important decisions in this sacred zone to amplify positive results. Happy birthday to all Geminis born today. Your wit and curiosity are gifts. Channel them with focus for real-world impact. This year, structure meets expansion. Build your dreams step by step while exploring new horizons. Balance freedom with discipline for your greatest growth. Embrace your role as both architect and adventurer. Celebrate your unique perspective and let it shine. Even on bright days, tough moments happen. Honor them with compassion. Accept your feelings without judgment. They're messengers, not enemies. Ground yourself. Breathe deeply, savor a soothing tea, or listen to comforting music. Connect with nature, even briefly, to reset your perspective. Visualize a peaceful place to calm your mind. Small acts of kindness, tidying up, reaching out, or helping someone, can shift your energy. Remember, these moments will pass. Be gentle with yourself and trust your resilience. Take it one breath at a time. Align with today's energy by expressing your feelings openly and warmly. Take bold, inspired action. Mars and Jupiter support big moves and courageous steps. Engage in stimulating conversations and seek out new ideas. Mercury in Gemini boosts your curiosity and communication. Focus on learning, connecting, and sharing your insights. Practice generosity and kindness, both to others and yourself. Treat yourself with care, acknowledge your efforts, and allow joy into your day. By choosing positivity and openness, you attract abundance and blessings. Avoid letting pride or ego drive your actions. Confidence is good, but stay humble and collaborative. Don't scatter your energy. Focus on one or two priorities instead of multitasking endlessly. Listen to your intuition and honor your emotional needs. Don't ignore what your heart is telling you. Avoid making promises you can't keep or engaging in gossip. Use your words to uplift, not divide. Be mindful of your commitments and speak with intention. Steer clear of drama and unnecessary confrontations. Let your actions and words reflect respect, clarity, and kindness. As we close, remember, you are the creator of your reality. Every thought, every intention, and every action you take shapes the world you experience. The power to transform your life lies within you, waiting to be awakened. You are supported by the vast cosmos, held by the universe's gentle embrace. But ultimately, it is your own intuition that lights the way forward. Trust that inner voice, the quiet wisdom that whispers in moments of stillness. Take a moment today to sit in silence and listen to your inner guru, that deep, knowing part of yourself that always seeks your highest good. In the quiet, you'll find clarity and guidance that no outside source can provide. Answers arise when you trust yourself. Even when the path ahead seems uncertain, your inner wisdom will gently nudge you in the right direction. Let kindness be your guiding principle, not just to others, but also to yourself. Treat yourself with the same compassion and understanding you would offer a loved one. Forgive yourself for past mistakes, celebrate your growth, and honor your journey. Every step, even the missteps, has brought you closer to who you are meant to be. Encourage yourself as you would a dear friend. Speak words of hope and affirmation, and remind yourself that you are worthy of love, success, and happiness. Step into your day with optimism and an open heart. Embrace new opportunities, stay present in each moment, and trust that your path is unfolding exactly as it should. Let your actions reflect your luminous spirit. Share your light with the world and inspire others to do the same. May this Monday bring you blessings, breakthroughs, and moments of pure joy. Allow yourself to receive the gifts that each new day offers. And may you discover a deeper connection to your true self, guided by peace, love, and the wisdom within. Om Shanti.